In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Driver San Francisco. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this mod menu. Download the mod. Once download done, right click on the mod menu and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and open mod menu. Copy all these files and then right click on the game and select open file location. Paste the files in your game folder. If it asks for replace the file in the destination, select the option. And once done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the X key and up arrow key in the keyboard to open up this cheat menu. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. I show you guys the cheat is working. Go to cheats, vehicle, boost, boom horn, turn this to on. You can exploit vehicles on horn. Now to close this menu, press the backspace key. Press the H key to exploit the vehicle. Now you can change the vehicle. Cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.